Best commercial truck insurance of 2023 in America. Whether you own a commercial trucking fleet or drive for yourself as a private contractor, a commercial truck insurance policy is a must. The best commercial truck insurance companies offer coverage that meets state liability requirements for a range of vehicles, owners, and drivers. These insurers also offer discounts to save on premiums plus assistance filling state and federal paperwork and provide responsive customer service. We researched and reviewed the best commercial truck insurance companies to sign up for, taking into account coverage, types, price, policy customization options, and more. Progressive. Best overall commercial truck insurance. Progressive. Pros. Coverage for a wide variety of trucks and trucking companies. Free state federal insurance fillings. Does business in all 50 states. Limits to travel and its cons are limits to travel radius may apply. Cannot purchase policy online. Must work with agents. Progressive is one of the largest insurers of commercial trucking in the United States, offering coverages for a range of vehicles and businesses, from tractor rigs and flatbeds to pickups and dump trucks. The insurer also offers specialized optional coverage such as garage keepers, legal liability for tow truck operators, as well as more common add-ons like heavy truck roadside assistance. Additionally, Progressive says it will file any and all required state and federal proof of insurance certificates on behalf of policyholders free of charge. Progressive also boasts that it is the only insurer with a fully in house team of claims adjusters. All of these factors are why we have named Progressive the best commercial truck insurer overall. There are some potential drawbacks with Progressive, however, the company does not offer primary liability insurance in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, or New York to owner operator super regional truckers who cover a radius of more than 500 miles. And although Progressive's website offers much more detail about its policy offerings than many competitors, and you will still have to work with an agent in order to complete the quote process and purchase coverage. Specifications, coverage types, liability, bodily injury, property damage, uninsured, underinsured, motorist, medical payments, collision, comprehensive, motor truck cargo, motor truck general liability, non trucking liability, heavy truck roadside assistance, rental reimbursement with rental, trailer interchange, garage keepers legal liability, on hook towing insurance, discounts, small haul program, electronic lodging device, snapshot, ProView, electronic fleet monitoring, business experience operating for more than 3 years, commercial driver license, prior insurance savings, bundling with personal auto coverage, bundling with general business owners policy, BOP, paid in full, electronic payments, financial strength A plus superior from AM Best, Sentry. Best for single vehicles and fleets. Sentry. Pros: specializes in commercial car and truck insurance, nationwide availability. Cons: limited information about coverage available or insurer website, no option to purchase policy online. Unlike some companies, Sentry only offers commercial insurance and it specializes in trucking coverage. The company says it works with agents nationwide that only cater to truckers, and all of its in house claim adjusters are trucking specialists. According to the insurer's website, that kind of expertise could be a real plus for customers who prefer to work with a representative. But people who prefer an online approach may find that the Sentry website isn't as detailed as those of some competitors. Specifications, coverage types: motor carrier insurance, rented vehicles, bodily injury, physical damage, loss of use expenses due to theft, physical damage insurance, collision, comprehensive, named perilous, motor truck cargo insurance, non trucking liability used for non business purposes, General liability, medical expenses, legal expenses, physical damage, discounts not available. Strength, financial strength A plus, superior from AM Best.